be like normal husbands and do some work and earn a living.
Dear wife, I am worker of the Almighty God. How can I do another job?
Dearest husband, maybe you can then ask your God to give you something in return for your service.
Dearest wife, you are right. I hadn't thought of asking God for any returns for my service. Maybe that's why He doesn't give me anything.
Oh, then go please and ask your Almighty God for some return for your service.
Oh God, since I am your humble and devoted servant, will you give me 100 coins for my devotion towards you? See, I am such a good devotee of my Almighty that He gave me 100 coins.